What's going on, folks? Mark, DLUX Motorsports. Today I have an absolutely gorgeous, and I'm talking she's pretty, boys, 19 GMC AT4. This is a fairly decked out AT4. This truck, brand new, was actually done as a Rocky Ridge edition. So this was done straight out of the factory right after that truck was built new. It's currently rocking a set of Recon grapplers from Nitto. The body is in absolute beautiful shape. If you guys take a look down the side right there, no major damage anywhere. Nice sounding dual exhaust. Tires still have plenty of tread. Passenger side, again, the passenger side looks just as good. If you guys are in the market for a truck like this and you're out of state, make sure you guys drop a comment. Let me know if there's any other videos you guys may want to see of this truck. This video should do good. If you need more, I'll be more than happy to send more. And you guys know what to do, man. Hit that thumbs up button. Let's hit our max reach. See if we can't hit like 200 likes on this video. That'd be fire. Anyway, absolutely zero rust as you guys would expect. AT4 lovers, you guys would know what all these trucks are about. Absolute gorgeous interiors, factory floor mats. The leather's in extremely good shape, front to back. Ugh. Let's see, heated seats, cooled seats, obviously factory navigation, all of that good stuff. Passenger seat. Headrests are marked with AT4. This one does not have a sunroof. It's not as common for these trucks to have sunroofs. And you know, here's the deal, boys. We both know that men don't rarely use the sunroof. And then your woman's like, I gotta have one with a sunroof. And you know her ass don't even open it. I bought my wife one that has a sunroof in it, and she opens the damn thing twice a year. It's like almost rusted shut. Anyway, AT4, 19, just over 80-some thousand miles. Gorgeous truck. It's been through my 140-point factory inspection here at the shop. Everything mechanically is in extremely good shape. Fresh fluids, differential's been checked, transfer case has been checked, transmission's been checked. All of my 8-speed trucks automatically get brand new fluid from Mobil One, the new HPLV fluid. Mandatory they get that with an additive. If you guys are familiar with what that is, or you're not, you better get familiar with it. It's something you definitely want to make sure that are in these trucks in the 6-speed, 8-speed, and 10-speed transmissions from Chevrolet. Very good transmissions. You just got to make sure that you properly maintain them. Anyway, 5.3, four-wheel drive, AT4, just over 80-some thousand miles, truck standing tall, 6-inch kit. It looks really, really good. I don't even really see barely a rock chip on the front of this truck either. A little bit of dirt you can see in the video. That's from this gorgeous $1 million freaking shit gravel I have. We are currently getting ready to build our new building here shortly. Paved lot, big old gosh damn building. And it's gonna get lit up at nighttime. So currently 50 to 60 lifted trucks in stock. We're making our way to around 100 in stock this year before 2026 closes. So make sure you guys keep up with us. This has got the dual closing tailgate, opening tailgate, however you want to call it. Anyway, a gorgeous little AT4. If you guys are in the market, make sure you guys give us a call. 843-697-7501. If there's any other videos you guys want, drop a comment, let me know. If there's any other trucks that you guys want to see more videos, drop a comment on any of them. I've responded to the comments pretty quickly. We're going to be super active on YouTube this year just to make sure that everybody can see our inventory. I ship a lot of these trucks out of state. I started this channel probably 10 years ago. I didn't do it for monetization. I didn't do it for followers. I didn't do it for any of that shit. I wanted to be able to have a source for my people that were buying trucks from me out of state to actually see a very good video of a truck, to see what it would really look like in person. These videos are shot at 1080p, 120 frames a second, so they're very accurate. You'll notice too, in the videos, I'm not scared to show damage. If it's got damage on it, I'm gonna show it. I want you guys to see exactly what I'm seeing in person, so when I ship these things to your doorstep, you guys know exactly what you're getting. One more last shot of the interior, the gorgeous black and tanned out trim. If you guys have any questions, give us a call, shoot us an email. Our website will be in the description if you guys want to check out the rest of the inventory that we have. Till next time, next video, next week. It's your boy Mark. I'm out of here. Peace.